Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and that little bell located at the bottom of the screen so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I have this adorable soda card to share with you. This is a new digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK, and I think it is just so fun. So I'm going to review the card with you, and then we're going to make it together. This file is 9¼ inches by 3½. Now, when you purchase this file, you will receive a variety of digital formats that will work on several different types of electronic cutting machines. However, if you don't have an electronic cutting machine, you can simply use the pattern that is provided and trace it onto your favorite cardstock and then cut it out by hand. For this card, I really wanted to make the bottle sparkle and glistening just as if it came out of a freezing cold ice box. And so I used my Spectrum Noir clear glitter. As you can see, it gives the card just a hint of shimmer. And I did use pop dots to elevate the center of the soda bottle, and I love the way this looks on the front of the card. And I wanted to give it a little feminine touch by adding in this red sequin bow. This is what the back looks like. And on the inside of the card, the sentiment says, "You make my heart go pop fizz." So now that you've seen an overview of this card, I'm going to grab my materials so that we can make this together. I'll be right back. I've prepared all of the items that we need to make our soda card. I've uploaded these images into Cricut Design Space, and I've cut each of them on my Cricut Maker machine. In your file, you will receive the card base, and I've already gone ahead and scored this card. You will receive 2 files that look like this. You'll have 3 files that look like this, and one of them will be a sentiment. You will receive 2 different sentiments. One says, "You make my heart pop fizz," and the other says, "Soda, what's up?" You'll receive 4 pieces that look like this, one in blue and one in red. The colors may vary in your file. I've changed my colors, and this will be the top of the soda, and they will be glued together just like so. You'll also receive 4 circles. One is going to be black and one is going to be red. They're going to be attached like this, so there is a thin black border around. You'll receive a sentiment that says soda. And you'll have 2 sets, and I've simply glued this on to the black shadow in the background. And then you'll have 4 pieces that look like this. You'll have a blue and then you'll have a white, and this is going to be attached just like so, centered on the white piece, and this will be the label for your soda bottle. So let's start attaching these items. I'm going to take one of the white pieces like this, and I'm going to glue this down here in the center, and I'm going to glue down a piece on the opposite side just like this. Next, I'm going to glue down the 2 brown pieces, and these are going to be layered right on top just like so. So you should not see any of the white on the bottom, only on the top. Next, I'm going to take these pieces, and they're going to be attached right in the center of the bottle. Now we're going to attach this piece, and this is going to go right here in the center. But you know what? I think I want to add some pop dots to give it a little bit of dimension. So I'm going to put some on the back here. Before I put this back one on, I'm going to glue the sentiment on. So let's move on to the sentiment. We have this sentiment here. I've already glued the white part onto the black shadow, and I did put some pop dots on the back. I'm going to put this on a diagonal just like this. Then I'm going to grab this piece. These are red and blue. You want to make sure the rounded piece of this blue piece is aligned on the bottom, and that'll fit perfectly on this red knob just like so. Okay, and we're going to attach this right at the very top, and you should have a little white border here on the bottom. Okay, so the front of our card is now complete. Let's flip this over. We're going to take this sentiment and we're going to glue this on just like so. We have our inside glued on. Let's flip this over, and we're going to attach the red circle right in the center. So our card is now complete. I think we need to add something to this to make it glisten a little bit. I was thinking about adding glossy accents, but I think I'm going to use my Spectrum Noir Sparkle ink. I think I just want to put a little bit on it to make it look like it's wet. Put a little on the top. Okay, so that looks like it's glistening a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do that on the back side as well. Now, I think I want to add a little bow. Let's see. Just a little something something to it. This completes my review of my adorable soda card. I just love the way this turned out. This was so fast and easy to make. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment. Also, be sure to visit MYSCRAPCHICK.com to see their beautiful assortment of digital files. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.